My name's Dylan Peltier. I've been with Team 8 years and I run the drone program. And I've focused my time and my career around eliminating scaffolds, reducing scaffolds, and reducing costs for our clients, and also those critical work hours, reducing the risk of our personnel and also the end users' personnel in those critical times in the plant. The drone innovation and technology has really ramped up in the last several years, everybody knows, and team's on the forefront of that and introducing it to individual clients. And we've got the Voliro-T here, which takes ultrasonic thickness at heights. Most of the work that we've done is on flare stacks, tanks, pressure vessels, reactors, whatever's needed at heights. And our Elios 3 here is for confined spaces, and we've also done quite a bit of work filling in the gaps with the Voliro-T. Some of the hard accessible places that it can't reach, we'll fill in the gaps with that. Majority of our efforts are focused on that. CSEs, obviously, we try to keep people out of CSEs. That's our biggest initiative and our motive. Keeping people out of harm's way, and obviously, reducing the downtime and maximizing the uptime. And in this industry is the #1 thing. So that's what we focus on. We take pride in bringing this technology to our clients and innovation, and our innovation robotics group from crawlers to drones, and we're on the forefront of that.